Hello and welcome to level 3 of the campaign. The difficulty is moving up to normal, so we're above easy now, and this song is Be There For You, and it's the standard type. Standard just means that we're playing with both of our Beat Sabers. The objective for this one is to get a minimum score of 70,000, and our modifier is no fail. That means that it will not fail you no matter how many you miss. So you can miss as many as you want and you will not fail, but you do have to get that minimum score of 70,000, so let's take a look here. I pointed out the battery on the last few videos, but in this one you do not have a battery on the bottom, and that's because you're in the no fail mode. Normally you would see that battery just under the platform as a line, like a progress bar, but we don't have it in this one because we're in no fail mode. As I mentioned before, you can touch the walls as much as you want with the sabers, you just have to make sure that your head is out of the way of them. And to get as many points as you can per box, you want to make sure that you start your angle from at least 90 degrees to the box and follow through at least 60 degrees. That's going to get you 100 points per block. And then depending on how good you cut, how accurately you cut through the center, you're going to get an additional 15 points for a maximum of 115 points per block. This level is the first one that we get to see bombs on, so you want to make sure you avoid those. And if you see blocks with a circle in the middle, that means that you can hit them from any direction. All the other blocks with the arrows, you have to swipe through them in the direction of the arrow. So those dots right there, you can hit them from any direction. With the form, it's really not about how hard you hit the blocks. It's just making sure that you get your angles correctly, starting from at least 90 degrees to the block and following through at least 60 degrees through the block. There's a lot of wrist movement involved. I use my wrist a lot more than I probably should. But once things start speeding up and you have a lot more blocks to hit, it's easier to use your wrist than swinging your entire arm around. You can also see that check mark up there on the top. That tells you when you finish your goal. The goal in this one was a minimum of 70,000, so we've already completed that. And when you do hit that goal, you might notice some fireworks going off above you. That's just to help get your attention so you know that you've completed your goal for the level. So since we're on no fail right now, as soon as we complete 70,000, we could technically miss every single block and we will have beat the level. That's it for level 3. Hopefully that was helpful for you. Please check out the rest of the playlist, and thanks for watching.